Ready to turn your hustle into lasting success? Starting over doesn't have to mean starting from scratch. After experiencing loss, I felt stuck, trapped in a cycle of working just to pay bills, with no time to truly live. The fear of rebuilding my life felt lonely and was overwhelming. But I found a way to rewrite my story. A flexible digital business gave me the freedom to work from anywhere, create a meaningful income, and rediscover purpose, all while honoring my journey. With training, mentorship, and a supportive community, you don't have to do it alone. If you are ready to transform your life and build a business on your terms, visit my website or send me a message. Let's take that step toward your dream life starting today.